So you're interested in learning more information about affiliate marketing. Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing for the beginner, affiliate marketing 101, so to speak. So stick around. Hey there, this is Sharon Koenig of fearlesspursuits.com and welcome to another episode of Fearless and PowerTube. I talk about online entrepreneurship, intentional living, and mindset. Because I realize that all the things that we want to do in our businesses all start in the mind. And the fact that we, as online entrepreneurs, are seeking freedom, it's all about intentional living, isn't it? We've got to be more organized and we've got to stop procrastinating. But more than that, we have to know what it is we need to do to achieve those goals. Are you setting goals? So let's get started. So I wanted to talk about affiliate marketing because a lot of people ask me how I make money online. So there's a lot of different ways that you can make money online. You've got affiliate marketing, you've got one-on-one coaching, and you've got digital products. You could even write an ebook. So there's so many different ways that you can make money online. So I want to talk about affiliate marketing because I think it's one of the easiest ways that you can make money pretty fast online. So you have to understand though, if you don't have an audience to sell to, then you're ultimately not going to be able to sell. Let's face it, right? So one of the first things I wanted to talk about here is what affiliate marketing is not. I feel like this is a really important topic because a lot of people are still making the same mistakes, even though there's so much information in the online space, and that is spamming. So affiliate marketing is not about spamming your list every single day about your products. It's not about spamming your followers on social media. I see this happen a lot. People are creating posts every single day, just really wearing out their audience. And this is a surefire way to get people to unfollow you and to unsubscribe from your list that you've worked really hard to build. And I realize that, that's a double-edged sword. Having people unsubscribe from your list and unfollow you can be good. And I actually did a video on this topic. Why is it good? Because you don't want to have people on your list or people following you that are not your ideal client, right? We want to make sure that we are only talking to our ideal soulmate client. So when they unsubscribe, I want you to think about it a little different here. Think about it. Yes, I'm glad they unsubscribed from me because they were not my ideal client. I'm glad they unfollowed me because I need to make room for more people who are my ideal client to follow me. So you see, it's a whole different mindset for you to embrace. But think about how it is that you can actually promote. So promoting on social media or in your email, for example, is about stories. People love stories. They want to be able to connect with you in a unique way. It's all about the know, like, and trust factor. So let's talk a little bit about what affiliate marketing is and give you actionable strategies that you can use today to help you get the word out. So one of the first things that I wanted to talk about is who your ideal client is. What is your niche, right? I think this is really important for us and something a lot of people really miss. We want to make sure that we know our ideal client because we have to know what they're interested in, right? We have to know this because we can actually promote products and services that are in a shoulder niche from our niche. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that you're a personal trainer. You know that your clients, your ideal client, is not going to reach their goals unless they're working on their nutrition as well. So that would be a shoulder niche. So you actually want to be promoting information, strategies, and products that are actually going to help them with their whole body, right? We're talking mind, body, and spirit here. So you can actually promote products and services about yoga, CrossFit, veganism, vegetarianism, paleo, and female fitness, male fitness. You see, there's so many different things that you can actually talk to them about. And this is really important when we understand that we need to focus in on creating content. So content is queen, lady boss. Don't you forget it. Focus in on creating one piece of content every single day at minimum. So we're talking blog posts here. We're talking videos, podcasts, and definitely on social media, because we need to be sociable on social media so that people can learn to like us and know us, right? And trust us. So now that you know your ideal client, why don't you ask yourself, what is their pain that they're struggling with? This is really important for us because we're going to be writing about this pain. We need to tell stories about it, maybe a case study or a testimonial on it. But we also need to know what pleasure is it that they're seeking in their mind's eye, the pie in the sky. What is it that they want? You're going to be writing about this pie in the sky dream that they want. And oh, by the way, I happen to have a product that you would love, a product that would solve your problem and help you achieve this pie in the sky dream. This is really important for us to understand, but if you don't know your ideal client and you don't know their pain and their pleasure, there's no way that you can speak to them. You need to understand that you're the problem solver, and now we can talk about the products. You need to have a lineup of products and services that you have used, products that you trust. I think this is really important, and a lot of affiliate marketers will just sign up with any old product or service just to make money. And they will write about it, but it's not in an authentic way that lets people know that they know what they're talking about, right? So we want to make sure that people really trust us, right? Because people are becoming more and more savvy with each and every generation here online. So you cannot pull the wool over people's eyes. If you have not used a product and you don't love it, then how on earth are you going to be able to sell it and promote it? You truly have to love it. So now, talking about that, you should be writing about what you love about it, your experiences about it. You can even do some sort of a table and checklist about products that are in comparison to that product. You can tell them the good, the bad, and the ugly. People love this because it helps them. Well, it cuts the shopping down in half, right? And they learn that they can trust you. More importantly, the ugly, the good, the bad, the ugly, right? You want to make sure that you're sharing this because it makes you look trustworthy. And we need more of that online, right? So now let's talk about some strategies that you can put into place right away. So we talked about you being authentic and about lining up products and services that you've used. So that gives you an idea right away. Start thinking about products that you've used and make a list, and then go after those affiliate accounts, right? So now what we want to do is let's talk about search engine optimization. It's known as SEO. So this is very intimidating for a lot of people that are entering the online space. Maybe they're new at it, but I don't want you to feel nervous or intimidated about SEO. I think this is a really important factor that a lot of people miss because they're lazy, they don't want to do the work, and they're too intimidated. If you have a Google business account, it's really easy for you to use the Google Keyword Planner. And this is a gold mine for you to write articles about. Again, knowing what it is your ideal clients are looking for, what their pain and their pleasure is, so that you can start writing about that. And oh, by the way, I have this product or service that you would absolutely love, right? And also, I want to bring up that even though you're writing about search engine optimization, SEO'd titles, you can actually write about things that are off the topic, things that are a little bit more personal to you. And I think this is a really important opportunity for people to really shine as an authentic person. This is really important so that people can really learn to get to know you. You can't always talk about business, right? I think this is important for us when we're on social media, maybe on your Instagram account, right? You've got to mix it up a little bit. You should have different types of posts. It should be inspirational. You should be sharing tips and strategies. And you've definitely got to promote your products and services. About, I don't know, maybe every 6 posts or so, you want to put a promotion up and say, buy my stuff, right? I think a lot of people really appreciate that they're not being sold to all the time. Again, with what I was talking about in the beginning, is not spamming people too much, because that is such a turnoff, especially on social media. So another strategy I want you to wrap your mind around is understanding that social media is not yours. Your social media account could be taken away from you at any time. We don't know. It's happened before. Sure, a lot of these social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, they look pretty solid, but times will change. Something's going to happen in the future. You own your website and your blog. It's really important for you to be thinking about a funnel. What's a funnel, you ask? Well, that's an important question, because we want to be able to start creating content that attracts people to us, and you can welcome them into a freebie or an opt-in to get them on your email list. And this, my friend, is where the magic happens. You can nurture these people in a very personal way. You want to make sure that you're sending emails to them once or twice a week. And this is a way for them to get to know you more intimately. Intimacy is the new word for 2019 moving forward. That's right. You want to be able to show them a little piece of you so that they can really learn to like you and know you and trust you. I've said that a couple of times, so hopefully you got it. What's really cool about some of these email providers is you can actually target in on the people that are opening up your emails and send them targeted emails. You can see the same people opening up your emails over and over again, and you know these are the people that are really interested in hearing from you. So then you can send those people, those few targeted people, the information that will help them solve their biggest problem. Because remember, a lot of these people are attracted to you because they believed that you had a solution to their problem. And the final strategy that I want to share with you here is about your website, about your blog. So you're creating content every single day, right? And you can easily bank your content. So what does that mean? Well, I talk a lot about this with my clients when I work one-on-one with them. You need to create a bank of content. Your bank of content includes videos, it includes blog posts and social media posts, right? So on your blog post, let's say, you want to make sure that you have a corresponding video that goes with that, and then put that on the blog post. And now strip the video of the audio and put a clip of just an audio version there, because people consume information different ways. Some of us are audio learners, some of us are video learners, and some of us really just embrace the reading. So it's important for you to understand that Google loves multiple types of content on your website. So take advantage of this, because this is going to push your website up on the rankings in Google. So I hope you really enjoyed this video about affiliate marketing for beginners. It was really like an affiliate marketing 101. So I could easily have gone into some details here, but I didn't want to get too lengthy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, because that helps this video get seen by more people who want an online business. So if you want to watch more videos just like this about online entrepreneurship, intentional living, and mindset, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you can get notified of videos when I upload them. Thanks so much for watching. This is Sharon Koenig. I'm out.